It seems city staff left no stone unturned when putting together a recreation plan for council to consider. At 136 pages in length, the report broke down the current condition of the city's recreational facilities and provided some ideas on how to improve those services. But it's not something that will happen overnight.
That's 40 years old.
Prince George is blessed with an abundance of recreational services, both indoor and outdoor. That was the good news from an exhaustive look at services and facilities, a state of the nation of sorts. That comes as no surprise to council.
The community associations are really the backbone a lot of the recreation delivery that we have in the community, and we really do rely on them for a lot of that service. And so those programs are as good and as robust as the people that are organizing them. So we really need to make sure that they're supported, that they get the assistance they need.
In fact, the volunteers in this community save the taxpayers a bundle, close to $3 million in manpower. That's the good news. There is a darker side to the assessment. The city is at capacity for what it can afford.
When you look at our operating and maintenance budgets, basically right now they're stretched in terms of all the daily maintenance they have to do for all the different facilities. And when we start looking at the wear and tear in facilities and the repairs and refurbishments that need to be done, we're sort of at our budget limits for those things.
The report not only presented the current state of civic recreational facilities, it also set out a series of recommendations to streamline operations and reduce costs. Examples would be enhancing partnerships with the school district and the Northern Sports Centre, or decommissioning underutilized sites.
All of these things have to work together to move us towards a more efficient system, one that we're sort of encouraging more shared use with the facilities, higher utilization, more cost recovery, less sort of inefficiencies in terms of our maintenance.
None of the recommendations will happen overnight, and every one of them will have to be approved by council. It means the new council may have some tough decisions.
The next council is going to be faced with what to do with the Four Seasons pool. That building is old, it's aging, it needs millions and millions of dollars in work just to maintain what exists today. That doesn't even get it to a current modern standard of amenity that will attract more people to the pool. It's had some declining participation. Nothing lasts forever.
The first order of business will be the creation of a timeline, as there will be extensive consultation with user groups before the recommendations are put forward. Cheryl Jan, CKPG News.